Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. I've got a real nice little Freightliner for you right here. This is a 2008 model. It's a M2 business class cab. And that's got a 22-foot stake body on it. All steel sides, clean. Take a look underneath that. We haven't power washed, we haven't done anything on it. All the tires on this thing are either new or like new. We just loaded this truck up pretty heavy and brought it here from Arizona. Had all kinds of shop tools and equipment and whatnot in it, and it did just an absolutely spectacular job. And it has a Tommy gate liftgate on it. So let's just show you how nice that works. Nice piece. Oop, let's get it all the way down. There we go. Now she'll come up. See those little things right there? Those are the automatic lifts for the tailgate on it. So that works just the way it's supposed to work. Nice, straight, clean. It's got all the stakes. Again, tires on it are like new. If you look underneath there, that's a Southwestern truck. You're not going to see any problems with that. Got a great big fuel tank on it here. 60 gallons it says. Nice steps on it. These tires are, I tell you, they're like brand new. Oh, these mirrors are great. If you haven't driven a truck with those Fender mounted mirrors, wait until you get in there. That works out really nice. I see it's got the tow hooks on it, the chrome grille, the chrome front bumper. Nice piece. Little flaking on the paint on the very top. Fiberglass is in great shape. Got the chrome heated mirrors on it right there. And this is a Ledwell body, in case you didn't see the stickers on it already. Look at how clean this is. That is a nice, clean, rust-free truck right there. Door panels on it are very good. Headliner up there is excellent. It's got the nice big Bostrom air ride seat for the driver right there. And this was produced in March of 2008 with a 33,000 pound GVW, so that is a CDL truck. And look how clean that floor is. This truck's been pretty well taken care of. So it's got cruise control right there, headlights of course, delay wipers, and of course big old Freightliner, you can't beat it. It's got a little center console right there. I believe that that's probably just a storage area. Yeah, just a storage area underneath there. Clean, clean, clean. So it's got air brakes. It's got air ride suspension, and you can dump it if you need to lower it. It's got power door locks, power windows. Nice. Both sides. Here's your kill switch for the power for the tailgate on back. There's an air dump switch from the factory. It's got an AM/FM sound system in it. Looks like it's probably pretty much factory. Don't know even how to turn it on. Don't even know if it works. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't, right? And let's just take a look. See here. You put that in gear. That is a 5-speed Allison automatic. It's got a whole 178,000 miles on it and 60-some hundred hours. 6,300 hours. So medium to low usage is what I would call that. All the gauges, of course. Cruise control is functional. It does have the power mirrors right there, and it does have heated mirrors right there. Nice truck. Drove this in all the way from Arizona, pretty heavily loaded with shop equipment, and did everything it's supposed to do. And look at there, it's even got an air horn on it. How about that? Nice piece. So that's an 08 Freightliner, under 180,000 miles, 22-foot bed with a liftgate. If you can use that truck, you give me a call. It's Dave with HD Trucks and Equip, and the phone number is 602-510-5444. And once again, as always, we appreciate you looking.